Okay, second graders, today we will be working on telling time. Remember we're counting by fives and we're trying to figure out what the numbers mean. So here we go. Remember the long hand is the hour or the minute hand. The short hand is the hour hand. The short hand goes first. We write the big dark number that's already on the clock. For the second number, we count by fives. So let's see if we can figure this out. Here we go. Number 1, write the time. So I see that it's the hour hand is the blue hand. So I see that it's not quite to the 7, so it's not 7 yet. It's 6. And then I use the numbers to count by 5. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. So it is 6:45. So I write the big dark number first and then count by fives for the second number. So let's look at number 2. Well, I look at the blue number, that's the blue hand, because that's my first number. And I see, oh, it's not quite to the 4 yet, so it's still 3. Now I count by fives at each of the big numbers. 5, 10, 15, 20. So my time is 3:20. Number 3. Okay. Ooh, it looks like it's on the 10, but if I draw a line on my blue, it's not quite to the 10. Okay, so I know that it's still 9. Now I count by fives, starting at the 1. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 55. So it's 9:55. Number 4, I'm looking again. Okay, it shows it's on the pretty close to 11. It's not to 12 yet, so I know it's 11. And now I count by fives. 5, 10. When it's on the 2, it's 11, 10. Do you understand? If a clock shows 9 o'clock, what will be the time 5 minutes later? So it shows 9, and I go 5 minutes later, 9, 9:01, 9:02, 9:03, 9:04, 9:05. It will show 9:05. Go to the next slide. Again, you are writing the time. I'll do number 5 with you. Remember, the hour hand is the blue one. It's the shorter one. That's the first number I write. So I see the first one is on the 9, and then we're going to count by fives again, starting at the 1. 5, the 2 is 10, and the 3 would be 15. So it's 9:15. Looking at number 6, which number is the hour hand on? That's right, it's on the 2. Now count by fives, starting at the 1. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. The red hand is on the 25 minutes. Try number 7, 8, and 9 on your own. Remember, the hour hand is the blue hand. Number 10, complete the pattern. 7 o'clock, 7:05, 7:10. So it'd be 5, 10, 7, what? 5, 10. Okay, go to the back. Number 11, what is the time between the 2 times shown on the clock? So I see this first clock is at, I look at the hour hand. Remember, the hour hand is the blue hand. And I see, if I draw a line, oh, it's not to 3, so I know it's at 2. Now I count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It's at 2:40. And so the next one, it's still at 2. Okay. But it's at, now I count by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So it's at 2:50. From 40 to 50, if I count by fives, that's, or 40, if I count, it'd be 10 minutes. So we're going to write 10 minutes, 40, 50. Number 12, look at the clock. Which time does it show? Remember, here's the hour hand. And then the minute hand is counting by 5s. So you start at 1, 5, and then what would be the minutes? And then number 13, draw a clock to show your favorite time of the day. Explain why it is your favorite time of the day. When you're done, turn it in. Then you can get on front row or mental math card.